Almond oil is derived from almond nuts, which are the seeds of fruit that grow on almond trees. Almond oil is one of the best skincare products. If you can't find or afford almond oil on the market, or you don't believe that it's an organic product, you can make almond oil at home using this simple process. You can then make your own creams, masks, lip balms, hair conditioners, and massage oils. To make your own almond oil at home, all you need is a blender and a bit of patience. You can also buy an oil press if you're really committed to making your own almond oil. So to start with, make sure your blender is clean and ready to go. Place the almonds into your blender. The almonds should be dry and fresh. Blend them at low speed first. You should start off at low speed so that the almonds are blended slowly and carefully. Blending them at high speed at first will make the blending process more difficult. Pause the blender to clean the buildup. As you start to blend the almonds, you may find that they start to form a shape that resembles a ball. They may also start to build up on the sides of the blender. Just stop the blender to scrape off the buildup and return it to the rest of the almonds. You may need to do this several times in the blending process, so be vigilant as you blend them. As they get more and more blended, you can turn your blender up to medium or even high speed. This will help the process along. Once the almonds have been blended into a rich, creamy paste, then you can add a tablespoon of olive oil to speed up the blending process. If you find that the almonds are still not blending as smoothly as you'd like them to, then you can add another tablespoon of oil. Once you finish blending the almonds, you can place them in a container, such as a glass jar, and keep them at room temperature for about 2 to 3 weeks. This should be enough time for the oil to separate from the meat of the almonds. To get the oil, you can try tipping the container and letting the oil drip into a separate container. You can also use a sieve or a strainer to separate the oil from the almonds. You can then use the oil to treat your skin, hair, or for aromatherapy purposes. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you'll enjoy our next video on how to make olive oil. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.